In a world of Lego Metropolis,
Heck yeah.
there were them!
Here comes the
Who's missing in this town?
They are.
Why? That town. I'm Sheriff Brody. And this town needs to be villain-proof.
Yeah, because they were trying to kill us. They were.
Who's trying to kill you? That big snot bucket up there?
Yeah, that big snot bucket right there.
We will have to fix this problem off to the sheriff's office. Dun-dun-dun-dun! What are you doing in this town?
I was hungry.
Well, you need to leave this town in a jiffy. That's what I thought. Bastard! Leave this town! Were you scared?
Yes, I was very scared. Can you please help me?
I'm not a counselor. And what scared you about this mishappen?
The big monster was so scary, but you look like a counselor. Can you please help me?
I'm not gonna help you. I'm not your counselor. Here's a slip. Here's a slip. Go to the counselor. Yep, that's what I thought. Have a nice day.
Bye.